Heavy-duty construction. Built using quality materials to ensure maximum performance and connectivity. Durable braided cable. Lightweight nylon exterior has a smooth feel matched with unrivaled strength. DUPONT Kevlar Reinforced Core. Adds durability to the cable while maintaining flexibility for use in tight areas. Limited lifetime. Mophie cables are built to last, but we will send a replacement if yours ever gets worn or damaged. Connector type. USB Type-C. Upgrade your everyday charging cable. Recharge your device at ultrafast speeds with the fast charge cable. The braided nylon cable and durable connectors means this charging cable stands up to everyday wear and tear. Rigorous testing ensures this mophie cable works properly with your devices. Top reviews from the United States. Tough cable. This is actually a replacement cable for a previous cable that was about 3 years old that took a beating from a teenager. That should tell anyone how durable the mophie cables are. Well worth the price.